Grandpa Pig's boat. It floats.
When Peppa and George are on Grandpa Pig's boat, they row.
On this boat, I'm the captain. When Captain Grandpa tells you all to do something, you must do it.
Unless it's something silly.
Captain Grandpa says anything silly. George, raise the flag. Peppa, ring the bell.
No.
Full sail.
Maybe you should go a little slower, Grandpa Pig.
Good idea, Granny Pig. I don't want to use up all my petrol.
Here's Grandad Dog.
Ahoy there, Grandad Dog!
Ahoy there, Grandpa Pig!
Grandad Dog is Grandpa Pig's very worst enemy.
I'm surprised your boat is still afloat, Grandad Dog. It must be almost as old as you are.
This old boat can go faster than your rusty boat any day, Grandpa Pig.
All right, you old seed, but race you.
Grandad Dog is Grandpa Pig's very best friend.
Prepare to lose water, but...
You two are acting like little...
Grandad Dog called me a
You called him a first, Grandpa. You should say sorry.
only if he says sorry first.
Grandad, say sorry.
No, he's a and my boat is faster than his.
All right, seed, but let's race to the next bridge.
On the count of 3...
1, go! I win!
Oh dear!
Grandad Dog can tow us home.
I'm not being towed by that.
I haven't offered to tow the water, but...
Will you two ever grow up?
Grandpa, say sorry to Grandad Dog. Say sorry to Grandpa Pig.
No.